Hey everyone, welcome back to Woodworks by Ace. I am about to get started on my next project, but I wanted to show everyone what my existing conditions are with my miter bench. So right now you can see here's my miter box saw. I've been using the stand that came with the house. I want to eventually build cabinets all underneath this so I could get rid of and hide all these storage bags and accessories and tools that I feel is very unorganized in the space. So the idea is to use this mobile station mechanism that I bought offline. These brackets will mount to the underside of the chop saw, and I want to shoot 2 pieces of pipe from my vacuum cabinet down to the end of where this table ends right now. And when I mount it, I'll be able to move the chop saw back and forth on this stand for the different lengths of wood that I'll have in my shop. So this gives me the availability to cut up to a 10-foot piece of wood that I normally don't have the capacity to do. We got this all cleared out, and my idea now is I'm going to use this laser level to shoot a laser line across the wall over to the cabinet so I can figure out my height of my stands over here. Here I'm measuring, cutting, and installing a 2x4 brace for my pipe flange support. With that complete, I can now measure and then fabricate my 4x4 stand, which would be the left side of my miter station. With the 4x4 post being done, I can now measure and install the 1¼ flanges and 1¼ pipe across. So I'm done with what I wanted to do today. I got my 1¼ black pipe going across from my vacuum cabinet over to the temporary 4x4 posts. I do have storage that I use underneath this very often. But just to give you a quick idea of what I was looking for is you can clamp these things down, but you want to move it, you release them up, and now the miter box saw will slide back and forth to what position I want. Then once you're in position, slide it down and it won't move. I could also add a grinding wheel like I have here on this side if I want, and pop it on and pop it off. So this is the first part done of this video. I plan on building the cabinets underneath it for more organization, but at least now that I have these stringers installed, I can start mapping out and measuring what the cabinet size is going to be and what its footprint is actually going to be. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave any comments or questions below.